Dad? Are you ready to get wet? That's how we should go to Myrtle the whole way. Brother!
Yeah!
Dad?
I can't talk anymore. Normal.
Yeah.
Tell them what we're doing.
We're going to Myrtle Beach.
We're
South
going to
Carolina.
Myrtle Beach, baby.
We got everything all packed up. It's an early morning.
I think we're gonna be late to meet up with the rest of the boys. I guess, I don't know, maybe they'll leave without us. I don't know.
Got the lowrider looking nice. All geared up.
Let's see what Miles is doing. It's his channel. Put miles on it.
You think we're gonna put some miles on it today?
I think so. We're going to put quite a few miles on it today, actually.
The scooter's looking nice, boy.
Gotta get it ready for bike week.
Get
Bike
ready
weekend.
for bike week.
Alright.
Alright, peace.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. It's just getting there.
Set your odometers. What about on that 107? It was probably way higher when you were going 80. It was probably like 3,500.
Yeah, close to it.
This is nice, man.
Yeah.
Yo, Dalvin, when you said put teeth on it, I was driving the big rig. When you said put teeth on it, I was dying, dude. I was swearing.
Oh
Put teeth on
man.
it.
Man, that was a good one.
Brothers, this is most of you already met her. This is my wife, Lauren. Hello. Morning.
Hello.
She's going to take our little photo shoot real quick.
Sweet.
I told her about our beach photo session that we got coming up.
Oh, the calendar? Calendar?
Oh, the calendar.
So here we are meeting up with all the brothers. We're getting ready to head down to Wilmington, and then we're gonna go down the coast to Myrtle Beach for the weekend. We might see some rain this weekend. It looks like we're experiencing some technical difficulties already. Looks like maybe somebody's bike didn't start. I think it was Chris's bike, probably wasn't fully charged up. So we're either gonna have to jump it or
Just leave Chris behind.
we'll just leave his ass behind.
No, we can't do that.
No.
When I backed it out, and I just turned it off
Didn't it happen not too recently too? Like
a while back, but I got it fixed and it hasn't done it since. I wrote it last week.
Yeah, there's lots of gremlins in that thing. No, I'm talking about mine.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Does yours do that thing where it'll like try to start like and then stop?
Yeah.
I haven't had that.
Oh, you're trying to.
It was, I had no sound yesterday. So I pulled the main fuse, that fixed that.
Damn.
That seemed to happen a lot. And then I had the TPMS is kind of real particular.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's how it is on mine too. It's like,
Ready to get wet?
get wet and wild.
Are you ready to get wet?
Let's go.
So I think we're gonna try to bump start Chris's bike. It's the only hope of leaving in the next 10 to 15 minutes really. And hopefully we can stop at a Harley and get him a new battery so this doesn't happen again. We do not wanna leave a man behind.
Just the bike and not Chris.
That's how we should go to Myrtle the whole way.
Yeah. Let's just push him the whole way.
They have
Oh,
an
boy.
obstacle course of motorcycles over here.
This is an eventful start to the day. We're gonna try to bump start Chris's bike. Oh boy.
Ah. I got it.
They got it.
No way. Dude, we got so lucky. Cause that would have been.
Took off like a dinosaur out of the Stone Age.
Well, that didn't take too long.
That's how you do it.
What'd you guys do? You just pushing?
Just like a manual jump start. Push it, keep it in first gear, dump the clutch, and just give it some gas.
Yeah, because with these new Softails, you can't jump start them, and it's hard to get to the battery. So we would have been probably screwed for another hour or so. But we've got the Slayer here, and he is
Old school, baby.
on top of it.
Yeah, I'll probably need to fuel up.
All right, we got the bike started. We had a photo shoot, and now we're about to take off. Let's ride, brother. John, why don't you give us an update of how you're feeling?
I put old girl in 6th gear and she liked it. No.
It's your first trip, right? Overnight trip?
Yeah, first.
Did you say your helmet was falling apart?
Yeah, man.
What's going on with your helmet?
I don't know. It's just like,
Let me take a look in there.
it's just like this thing's just.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Is that supposed to happen?
It's falling apart, man. How you?
This is supposed to like clip in there or
You're
something.
riding
like that.
around like that?
Hardcore, baby.
How you feeling, Slayer?
Brother.
I'm feeling good.
All right, we made it to Wilmington. We're gonna eat at Flaming Amy's Burrito Barn. Time to get some lunch. Time to take a break and get some food. Johnny D already ate a hot dog.
Cool.
2 hot dogs. All right, so. All right, we just ate lunch and we're about to go down the coast to Myrtle Beach and get to our destination finally. Oh yeah, titties. Woo! Finally! Yeah! We gotta get gas somewhere.
I'll get to meet. I'll stop around.
All right, let's go. Who, me?
Ready? I don't know. I thought you were going to your hotel.
Hot and heavy, guys. We made it. We made it to the beach. It's very, very, very hot here. Heck yeah. Very warm, very humid. I'm about to go check into my hotel and unpack and get everything kind of settled in and probably throw on some shorts. But guys, we made it to the beach. Damn it, I want to go swimming. I kind of want to go swimming really bad. We're supposed to have some rain tomorrow, and I'm not looking forward to that, but maybe I'll get to go swimming at some point.